I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Let's check kung ano nga ba yung energy ngayon ninyo ni person. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. This is a timeless reading. Kung kailan nyo ito napanood, I feel like this message meant to find you. Wow, call. So I feel like wala kayong communication or less in communication to no communication with your person. Maybe your person is far from where you at, or talagang hindi lang kayo nag-uusap. So parang meron ditong physical and energetic separation na medyo yun yung challenges natin ngayon, no? I feel like kahit na magkaroon kayo ng separation with the strong affection in here, hindi naman nawawala na mahal niyo yung isa't isa. I feel like nagtitikisan lang kayong dalawa, no? Nasasaktan din kayo parehas kasi ayaw nyo rin yung ginagawa ninyo dahil mahal nyo nga yung isa't isa at hindi na rin kayo sanay, no, na hindi kayo nag-uusap, hindi kayo naglalandian, hindi kayo nag-update sa isa't isa and silence. So, parang nag-iba, no? All of a sudden, yung makulay na buhay na parang inisang gulay, no? Nag-iba, naging dull, no? Nawala yung tamis, nawala yung, kumbaga, para siyang laging tagpulat, no? Nakakasenti. Hindi na ito yung parang kinagisnan mong relationship. Ibang-iba, ang lungkot-lungkot. With the Hermit, the Two of Wands, and the Five of Wands. So meron ditong, I feel like with the Hermit showed up, parang na misled yung isa or parang nakagawa ng isang decision na hindi ayon, no? Sa edad. So, let's say, merong mga ganyan, ano ba? Yung parang lagi sinasabi natin, oy, kalaki-laki mo ng tao or katanda-tanda mo na nagaganyan ka pa, no? Again, wala yung sa edad, ha? Pero kasi parang ang awkward na talaga. Parang hindi na ito ginagawa just for fun. Parang ginawa ito. Sabihin natin, sige, curiosity, that's fine. Pero yung curiosity, when your person jumped into that rabbit hole, parang nagdire-diretso siya into something sort of like addiction, no? With the Two of Wands, bigla-bigla na lang din. So I feel like there's age gap between you and your person. It can be May December love affair. It may not be. Baka konti lang yung diferensya. It don't matter. Pero kasi ang nakikita natin dito with the Hermit, if we're not talking about the numbers of the age, we might be talking about the maturity nga, no? Kasi with the Five of Wands, ito yung naging dahilan, no? Ng inyong challenges ngayon with the Knight of, kasi pinagpatuloy niya pa rin, and the Eight of Swords. I feel like this person becomes obsessed with that. So I feel like whether this is addiction, whether this is recreational drugs, whether this is something that they just tried and they were hooked into it. It could also be casino, sugal, what have you, no? Mga vices. probably hindi sila ganito dati. And then they tried and then nahumaling sila. Later do they know na hindi na sila makawala, no? At hindi na sila makaalis. So parang pati ikaw na the drug ni person, no? Sa kamunoy na um, pinuntahan niya, no? So parang ikaw, you're trying to save your person, pero si person hindi na kayang i-save yung sarili niya to a mere to a fact na baka nangungupit, nangunguha pa ng gamit, no? With the moon card, so parang sinabi mo rin dito kasi the moon card actually affects our emotion. Nung una ayaw mo pang magpaano, magpadala, no? Nung una ayaw mo pang humawala, no? Ayaw mo pang makipag-separate. Pero dumating dun sa point na siguro tinatanong mo na yung sarili mo, tama ba itong mga pinagagagawa ko with the hangman? Ang tagal ng time frame mo bago mo na-realize na siguro whatever the decision is or was, um, I feel like parang hinayaan mo pa, no? Na either ma-abuse tayo ni person, whether it is mental, emotional, spiritual. I hope not physical, but if this is a physical, um, parang nababat or uh, tsaka mo na panoorin yung reading, balikan mo na. Huwag mo na maitapon, no? Balikan mo na lang. Pero what I want you to know is, um, kesa manood ka ng reading, no? Humanap ka ng taong makakatulong sa'yo, may vowsy, some authority that might gonna help you para maalis itong physical, you know, maltreatment ba tawag doon? Yung sinasaktan ka, no? Hindi yan tama. Well, actually, emotional and spiritual probably, no? Psychological, they're all not good. Um, pero kasi kung physical, medyo iba na yan, no? Baka kung ano pa mangyari sa'yo, unahin mo muna yun, no? And then, kapag okay na, balikan mo ko. Yun. Pero, kung merong physical na nangyayari, what I can strongly suggest is dumiretso na muna doon, no? Unahin mo muna ang safety mo. With the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords. So, parang ang tagal nitong processing mo dahil you try to save the relationship. Parang ginawa mo yung mga bagay dito na hindi mo pa ginagawa dati. You experimented on things, no? Parang sinabi mo, sige, try ko tong ganito, hindi nag-work, try ko to. Dumaan tayo sa santong paspasan, dasalan, no? Nag-submit tayo, parang, sige, hahayaan ko na lang siya, baka sakaling magbago. So, ang tagal ng processing natin to make a decision making. And then you work on things with the Ten of Swords and the Princess of Pentacles. I feel like there must be someone that probably pushed you to take action to whatever the action that you took to end things with your person. At least whether this is temporarily or whether this is for good, no? But with the Ten of, baka may napanood ka, nagbigay sa'yo ng payo, with the Two of Cups and the Princess of Swords, yung iba sa inyo, medyo mahirap yung pinagdaanan kasi nakakita tayo dito ng signing of a contract, kasal, may mga simbahan pa, so parang pinaghandaan, and then it all boils down to separation. Yes, when it comes to siguro pride, mahirap tanggapin, no? Na dumating tayo sa ganitong part, pero wala na, nandito na. So, kesa naman, unahin natin yung pride natin and hindi tayo magkaroon ng future, di ba? With the Sun, the Six of Pentacles, the Strength card, the Justice, and the Chariot. I feel like nagsimula ito during the summer season, the Six of Pentacles, parang ito yung time na hinayaan natin. I feel like nakakaramdam na tayo nitong kanyang mga changes, whether this is physical or behavioral. With the Six of Pentacles, parang inaano pa natin siya, wini-weigh in. Ito nga yung trial and errors na sinasabi natin with the Strength card. You try to save the relationship. You probably didn't even mention this to your family members. You didn't even ask for help. Pero dumating talaga yung time na ikaw na, no? Itong sabihin nating nagising sa katotohanan with the justice. You're doing this for you this time. Not for your person, but for you. Lumayo, no? Siguro, bonus na lang kung magbabago si person, no? Kung marirealize niya talaga na, ay, mahal ko talaga siya and I need to really change my ways. Bonus na lang yon. Pero what this energy is saying is you save yourself and hindi yon. You know, you don't be wag tayong kumbaga makonsensya na sinave natin yung sarili natin, 'di ba? In the first place, pinanganak kang hindi mo naman kasama sa person, no? And as harsh as it sounds, life is a matter of survival, no? We are all species wanting to have a place on this earth. So, mabuti na lang tao ka, you know, kung hindi, you know, alam mo naman sa wild, di ba? Madaming preys and predators. Iba nga lang yung mukha kapag tao ka, there's still preys and predators, but in a different way. Yun nga lang, ang sinasabi natin, hindi yun pagiging sakit. Kung sakaling iniisip mo na iwan mo si person, no. Unahin mo munang mabuhay ang sarili mo. Bonus na lang kung magbabago siya at hahabulin ka niya, which I feel like your person's going to do with the Chariot in here dahil kahit saan ka magpunta, susundan ka niya. And with surpassing the challenge, hindi lang yung susundan ka niya dahil mangungulit or, you know, gusto kang ibihag or merong gagawing sama. Bonus yon. Pero dahil yon, inuna mo yung sarili mo at nabago niya yung sarili niya while you're not there. No? Kasi parang si person meron siyang perception, hindi naman niya ako iiwan. So, the more na yung nakikita ka niya beside, you know, yung nandiyan sa tabi nila, the more na wala silang sense of urgency to take action. So, ngayon nung nawala ka na, nakita nila dito yung, ay, totoo yung sinasabi niya. And mahal ko siya. And I really need to change my ways for me to be with the person that I love. No? So, napakagandang reading. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. So, if you want to ask a question, click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung instructions, turnaround time, name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Cancer, Libra, Leo, Taurus, Pisces, a Virgo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Capricorn is here, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, Virgo. Yeah. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papa Island. Standing in my